So my inspiration for this project was this table runner that was anywhere from $59 to $142. So this project is pretty simple. I used Dollar Tree nautical rope and hot glued it into a circular shape. In total, I made 3 large circles and 14 smaller circles. Each pack of nautical rope makes 2 small circles, and then you need 2 packages of the rope to make 1 large circle. So I ended up using 13 packages of nautical rope in total. I started making the smaller circles by dividing the rope in half and making 2 separate circles. But then I realized that I didn't need to actually cut the rope to make the 2 circles, and the end result was actually a lot cleaner. After I made all the circles, I hot glued them all together to form the table runner. This project cost me a total of $13, and I think it looks fantastic, don't you? Leave a comment below, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit that notification bell and the subscribe button now, and hit that like button, won't you? It really helps out the channel. I'm super honored that 156 of you actually like my ideas enough to subscribe to my channel, so thank you so much. It's incredible. Special shout out to Valerie Sims and Shirley Pearl. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day, everyone. Thank you. Bye.